I just want to greet him, Michael Sanderson, a happy Father's Day, Bikoy. Happy Father's Day!
Muchas gracias.
So, Spanish na siya kakaroon, guys. So, happy Father's Day to you, my baby Koy. Thank you so much for being so supportive and understanding to me. Salamat kaayo. And I did not regret for having you in my life. You're such a good husband, a good partner, a good, basta tanan, good. So, thank you kaayo. And also, I would like also to thank our beloved Pastor Apollos Kipuloy. Happy Father's Day to you, Pastor. Since I was young, I'm already in the kingdom. And you are always guiding me, always remind me and to become a better person and become an example to those who surround us. Salamat din kay Pastor. And I would like also to greet a happy Father's Day to my nag-iisang kapatid na lang, si Renato Mula Jr. Happy Father's Day to you, Don. I'm proud of you because nakita na ko na muhad yung gitaguyod mong pamilya at nagbisan unsay mahitabo wala jud mo gipabayaan imong pamilya basta magkahiusa lang yun mo. And I'm proud of you being my brother and ipadayon ng imong pagkabuutan as a father. Okay, and also to my Father in heaven, Pa, thank you so much for always looking for us. I know that you pray to the Father that our situation will become okay here. Salamat yung kayo, Pa. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers all over the world. May the Almighty Father will continue to bless you, especially your life, to have an abundant life and long life so that you will still continue to be a good provider to your families. Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day.